A video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Wzoq. This is a third DJVU type ransomware we discovered today. In fact, we discovered this ransomware while reviewing new submissions to the VirusTotal database. And this video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware, I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open your data, all your files, without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Wzoq ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware would encrypt files and damage the files, and it also appends this Wzoq extension to the file names. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data, and that this Wzoq extension has been appended to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is certainly not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and once the program is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan and the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Keep in mind that the program has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to premium. This way your data will always be protected, and furthermore you can always request for the fully functional free trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And also in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.